This is the range of projector products which Panasonic has to offer to the events and staging industries. From high brightness projectors with 20,000 lumen in brightness for large screen application and stage illuminations, down to lower brightness projection system for breakout rooms and preview monitors, Panasonic has to offer the full range of products which are used in live events in the rental and staging industries. This is probably the coolest thing that you will get to see in projectors in 2030. It's an absolute innovation and the world's first exchangeable lens with an ultra short show mirror system, and that enables people to make very large projections in a very narrow space. This is the first time that you have such a system that enables you to put it into high brightness one-chip DLP projectors, where you can have from 5,000 to 10,000 lumen in brightness, depending on which projector model you're using in the application. The DZ870 includes the new digital link connectivity based on HD-based-E. This new transmission protocol combines audio, video and control information in just one cable, and you can use a standard Cat5e or Cat6 LAN cable to submit the audio, video and control over a distance of up to 100 meters. The new Panasonic PT-DZ13K projector is the world's smallest and lightest 12,000 lumen 3-chip DLP projector. The product comes with a variety of features especially designed for live events and the rental and staging industries, like onboard geometric adjustment, multi-screen brightness control, color matching and edge blending. It is a special, robust and reliable design. It uses a multi-lamp system which enables you to continue live events. Even in the rare case that one of the lamp fails, the projector will continue the show on the remaining lamp, offering a failure-safe system, especially for live events in the rental and staging industries.
Showing here our new 55 inches video wall. This product is really suitable for the rental and staging industry. It's a very bright product with 100 candelas per square meter. It has a very slim frame, which really makes a very large image possible with small distortion. At the same time, the frame is very robust with 0.4 millimeters width, and it comes with a special frame system for rental that can be configured for any size.